So today I'm going to rip off the old quiet OEM exhaust on my 890 and I'm going to replace it with the aluminium arrow one with a carbon end cam and a bit more carbon down here just because it looks better. So stay tuned. So I've got myself a new exhaust for the 890. The good guys at Hoco Parts have got me the arrow exhaust. Went for the aluminium and not the titanium just because it was a little bit cheaper, and I'm only going to scratch it anyway, no doubt, taking it off road. So we'll whip off the old one and see what it sounds like. I've already taken the baffle out because we're just not going to run with that because it needed to be noisy, a bit noisier anyway. So we'll take this off, get it swapped over, get it back outside for another sound check, see if it does sound any better. It won't sound really loud because we've got the catalytic converter on it. The catalytic converter on these have now got a Lambda sensor in them, so no one's doing a link pipe, I don't think. So I'm going to leave the cat in place, otherwise I'm just going to get dash errors. So this is just an end can replacement. So let me get that old one off and we'll put the new one on. There we go. That really finishes it off, that does.
Look at that.
It looks way better than that, doesn't it?
Yeah, I mean that's chunky.
Proper heavy that is. I mean that's still quite heavy, but so I've already taken the baffle out because I decided I'm not even going to run with the baffle because it's not very loud anyway. So we'll see how it is without this. But if I ever go to Europe or something, I'll probably put it in because you know what they're like, they'll probably shout at you. So it's like 10-minute job max.
Makes you wonder why the customers come in.
I've got to pay my wages somehow.
Is that what all exhaust jobs are like?
No, that's dead easy.
I was going to say.
End cans are generally dead easy. Jekyll and Hyde's and decats and it starts to get a bit more complicated. Ready?
Yeah, whenever.
So at the moment these exhausts aren't on the website, but if we get enough interest, I'm sure Steve will put them on there. But if you do really want one, we can order them in for you. So if you want one, just email us and we'll get one sorted for you.
What's the email?
Mine's Tom at a Bike Thing.
Team at a Bike.
Oh, Team at a Bike Thing. Team at a bikething.com and we'll get your exhaust ordered for you. Okay, see you in the next video.